everybody, it's Vince and I'm here to do my EveryPlate unboxing. I just got my EveryPlate order in the mail. If you're interested in trying EveryPlate, there's a link in the description box below. You can get your first box for just $18. You can get 3 meals, each 2 servings, and you can go ahead and choose what you want from their delicious variety menu. Let's get started with this unboxing and show you what's inside a box of EveryPlate. Okay, so here is my box. First of all, I was not very impressed with the delivery. It was upside down, and there's a dent, but that is because of FedEx, not because of EveryPlate. So, unfortunately, FedEx has let me down before, so I'm not too surprised. The first thing you see when you open the box is this week's menu. Welcome to EveryPlate, the meal kit with filling, familiar ingredients, easy recipes, and a price that everybody can get behind. It is very affordable. And the food is pretty indulgent at times. It looks really delicious. Some of the things they want you to have on hand: salt and pepper, oil, sugar, butter. I will be modifying some of these recipes just to make them a little bit healthier at times, just because of the way that I personally am eating, but that's what you should have on hand. Now, we have the nutritional information. These are the 3 meals that I picked: the cheesy beef stuffed peppers, the hoisin stir-fry pork, and the lemon chicken cutlets. Although I didn't get the pork, I actually upgraded to steak and potatoes, and for $3 more per serving, so for $6 more, I got this, which includes a really nice cut of steak. So that's that. And of course they have recipe cards for the other recipes that I ordered. The lemon chicken cutlets. All I need is some butter and some vegetable oil. I'll probably use olive oil. And this one just needs vegetable oil. I'll probably use olive oil for that one. Looks pretty tasty, doesn't it? Alright, so we have this is that same foam material, that sort of material that Hungry Root uses. And inside the box, you can see everything is packaged nicely. What is this? This is a bag of spices and little packets of sour cream. That's interesting. So that's a seasoning packet. This is fresh parsley. Got some kale, some fresh kale. It's actually pretty fresh looking, and it's completely sealed. It's not in an open bag at all, so that's probably how they keep it so fresh. Got some carrots. Carrots are just so hardy, they just throw them right in and don't even worry about them. Everything's really firm and fresh. Here's one of my peppers for stuffed peppers. I'm not sure how I can make a stuffed pepper with a pepper that looks like that, but you know what? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. A shallot. It's very firm, it's fresh and firm. Tomato. No bruises. Skin is pretty good. Potatoes and a lime. Parmesan cheese. Or maybe that's Monterey Jack, I'm not sure. This is the rice. I'm actually not going to use this because I'm trying to eat more paleo recently, so I'm just going to skip it. My roommate will probably use it. Red onion. This is the couscous. I'm also going to donate that to my roommate. Then in here we have an ice pack. Oh, there's more veggies. So we have an onion. I'm gonna have to keep track of all this stuff. Some garlic, a lemon. There's a lot of food in here for $18. Another potato, another pepper, more potatoes. But wait, there's more. That's funny. Under the ice, we have our meats, which are partially frozen. We have ground beef. Yeah, they're partially frozen. Actually, mostly frozen. Here is the chicken. Interesting packaging. Never seen that before. And this is the steak that I paid the upgrade for. Sirloin steak. It looks good. Lots of nice marbling. That is going to be yummy. And more potatoes. Then another ice pack, and then that's it. So, that's everything that was in the box. I love these recipe cards. They're super easy to use. The recipes are really simple. And I really like that the nutritional information comes with it, because if you're tracking your calories, or if you're on a diet, or you're allergic to something, you can make sure that you can eat everything that's in this kit. And I discovered earlier that my steak and potato is on this side. And this is a recipe that I didn't choose, the 3 cheese cavatappi, because I'm not eating pasta right now. And also the hoisin pork stir fry. I'm not the biggest fan of pork, so I decided to skip those and get these instead. For $24, I got all of this lovely food from EveryPlate. All of the produce is very fresh. I have no complaints about any of these ingredients. Everything was really fresh. The meat is still frozen. Everything is in great shape, and I am confident that I'm going to like EveryPlate as a meal kit that I'll use on a regular basis. If you're interested in trying EveryPlate, use the code in the description box below to get your first order for just $18. If you do upgrade to the steak, you'll have to pay $3 extra per serving, but honestly, it's still worth it. And even if you don't continue your subscription, why would you pass up 3 meals for $24? If I would have bought all this stuff in the grocery store where I live, first of all, I would have had to haul it home. I would have had to go to the store. This was so easy, it just comes right to my door, and this would be great to do in the winter, especially if you have like parents that still cook but don't really want to go out and get to the store in the winter. This would be a great gift to send them. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and join up with my channel for more information on healthy eating, travel, and more from me, Mr. Vince. Have a good day. Bye-bye.